Real quick before we begin the video, we do have some beanies in stock now in the merch line. Also some shirts available. The beanies are in limited supply, so if you want one, you just gotta send me a message on either Facebook or Instagram and get yours now. Just in time for the holiday season and winter. Send me a message, let's get to the video. Quite a mess to pick up. We need to get the motor ready to move. On top of that, I gotta take the wheels and tires off this car and then start cleaning up because it is a mess. I ended up buying one of those really easy LS leg motor things for the engine so we can actually get it off the blocks, get it on those pieces. So we'll put that on. And like I said, just get it ready, get cleaned up, and take these wheels and tires off because we've got a surprise coming. Oh, what a mess. I'm gonna get this cleaned up here shortly. You know what? Let's clean up first. Not bad for a cheap Amazon purchase. Found these little LS stands we're gonna put on the block there. Came with hardware and everything. Pretty good buy. It's nice and secure. The motor's just about ready for transporting. I went ahead and put the oil pan on it just in case. I'll tell you what though, she is a dirty girl. That is a filthy motor. Okay, well, let's get these wheels off and we can continue. In case you didn't notice, I scored some 15s a while back off of Facebook pretty cheap. So we got our front set. Now we're gonna take them off so we can match the pairs. That's the plan. My only really concern is that they're not. I don't think they're the right offset. That's probably why they were pretty cheap. I might have a solution for that. I'm thinking of possibly getting the backside machined so that it sits in further. It does look like we have a lot more caliper clearance. But they're just the wrong offset. It's the center is thick on it, so we got a lot of material there. Leave a comment below. The back side, it actually doesn't sit flush on the back of the wheel all the way. Like the whole thing doesn't sit flush. It rests on this high part, and also right here it has another high part. So the whole center is not even touching the hub, just these high parts. So if we just machined all that down, it would sit against it Also, we'd have to machine another groove right here. It's merely just designed to fit the center cap there. So we'd have to machine all of that down, and then I'd have to be able to machine this center part as well to fit the center cap back. I mean, we're only talking about a hair. They sit in the body good. They're just sitting just a hair out than the old set. And I'd like for them to be just a little more tucked in. And for it being as cheap as it was, I couldn't pass it up. So I think we can just make it work. Leave a comment below. What do you think? Good idea? Bad idea? Machine the back of these? Leave them alone? Let me know. Got a small dilemma. I completely forgot that I'm using my jack to hold up the transmission right now. I really just need to break down and get a transmission jack. I'll probably pass by Harbor Freight. As much as I've actually taken this transmission out in this garage, I don't know if I could put a jack stand on there. Not gonna be able to do much with it like that. I can leave the transmission on that jack stand temporarily, but I'm talking like not that long, like a couple minutes, so that I can sneak the jack out and put the new transmission jack in and then get the rear wheels off. But I'm not gonna be able to do that right now. So we're gonna have to stop here because we're gonna have to take this trans out anyway sooner than later, so might as well get it now. I'm kind of in the middle of standstill. I'm waiting on some things to happen before I can really proceed. So last week, this week, and the following week, it's just gonna be some downtime, and we can start making serious progress. Right now, like I said, I'm just kind of at a standstill with the head, with the motor, with the everything else. The good news is that the body is ready. I just need to get the drivetrain ready, stuff it all back together, get everything aligned, do some test hits, and go from there. So we still got a lot of work to do, and that's just the reality of it. So we're gonna have to sit here for a little bit. The good news is that it does look like we're going to be able to repair my rear bumper cover, so we can mark that off. I'm still looking for a deck lid. I'm gonna try to see if we can repair it as well though. Head gaskets, it does look like I'm gonna end up buying the Athena head gaskets. Got to get our new radiator and our new plug wires, and I think we'll be looking okay. I'm still trying to source an option here for repairing them. We've gotten some quotes on getting them fixed up, but I'm pumping the brakes on that for just a minute. I'm trying to work a deal and see what we can do about that. So just hang on, you'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the fuel pumps in order to get those checked out, make sure they're good. We've got our injectors here that I'm gonna send over to my buddy Solomon to see if he can get those checked out for me, make sure there's nothing wrong there. And then, man, start putting everything together. Next year, we never changed my list. I'm still 7 on my own list, and I actually should be number 3. But I believe Streetcar Joe actually just went faster, so I'm gonna go ahead and put myself in number 4, get everyone else lined out. Wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top 5 spots are all 7-second cars. Everybody, there was a time when I started this that there was only one 7-second car, everybody else was 8s, and a couple 9-second cars on here. And to see the list progress from that to half 7-second cars and the rest low 8s is pretty ridiculous. This coming week, we should start seeing some progress with the motor, with the heads, with everything. So I'm just sitting here waiting, chomping at the bit to get things done so I can get back out there as soon as possible, because we've got some events to make next year. The first one being possibly the flashlight shootout. That's it. I'm gonna try to get some work done.